What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. So today's video is gonna be definitely different. Normally you guys see me shopping, or I'm just bringing you guys along when I go to stores and stuff. Today I want to do like a little hair video and then maybe a little haul at the end stuff. So I just want to show you what I've been loving the past few days with my hair, when I want to do it and stuff, or I just need something super simple, easy, quick, like mommy style. Because normally I want my hair like all like nice and curly and stuff, but sometimes with curls it doesn't work out. So I want to show you a different way to do curls in your hair, and that's with a ponytail. So if you guys are interested in a slick back curly ponytail moment, keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Definitely subscribe, hit the like button, and then comment something down below. What are you guys interested in seeing from my channel? If you guys don't know, my channel is beauty, lifestyle, vlogs and stuff, shopping and everything. So let me know in the comments down below what you're interested in seeing, like more lifestyle videos, more mommy videos, makeup videos. I can try to get back into the swing of things of doing makeup and stuff, but with a child I feel like the makeup scene has kind of left me a little bit. I'm more like with the basic stuff, like something that has to be super fast and stuff, or if I want to spend time on one thing, it's either going to be my hair or it's going to be my makeup. So sometimes I have to choose which one it's going to be. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna take down my hair, but a few things you guys will need is going to be a brush. You can use any type of brush that you can just brush your hair back into a ponytail. I'm just using my denim brush. I can never say that right, but this is my denim brush. A scrunchie, a ponytail, I call it a ponytail, and then two pinches. If you guys don't know Spanish, two pinches or two bobby pins. I like to call them pinches. So usually I use three, but the other one is downstairs, so I'm not going downstairs. My son is taking a nap and I just don't want to wake him up. Next thing is some cream to slick back your hair. I've been using this Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine cream, and I like it. I still get a few flyaways, so if you have something that's better than this that you like to use to slick back your hair, then go ahead and use that. And then I think the last thing is just a curling wand, because if we need to touch up our hair when we put it in a ponytail, we can use our curling wand. I think this is a 1 or 1.5 barrel, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm using the Hot Tools Professional one, and I got that one at Ulta. So all right, let's get started. I need to brush out my hair because I for sure did not brush my hair today. Are any of y'all like that, where you just don't brush your hair some days and you just either throw it up or whatnot? But yeah, so I'm gonna brush my hair, and I just like to take sections of it. I know it looks really rough, but I'm like holding onto my hair, brushing the bottom, and then working my way up. And I'm really tender-headed too, you guys. Let me know if you're tender-headed as well. I don't like when other people do my hair. So like when I go to the salon to get my hair dyed and stuff, everyone always loves when you get your hair washed. Me, I feel like I absolutely hate it. So if you're like me, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just really tender-headed unless I'm just doing my own hair. Like I just kind of suck it up and deal with my own pain of what I'm causing myself, I guess, if that makes sense. Like it's different when you do your own hair and someone else does it, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and get my scrunchie ready. Then I'm gonna get some cream. I'm just gonna lather that, and I'm just gonna apply it on the tops of my hair. You can do the back of your hair too. That might be okay. And then I'm gonna start brushing my hair. Hopefully this is a good angle for you guys. And I'm just gonna start brushing it back. And you could do it as high or low, however you want it. I usually like my hair a little bit higher than this. So what I'm gonna do is I like to tilt my head and take off my glasses because sometimes they get in the way. Okay, and I need my glasses to see, so I'll put my glasses back on. And just keep playing around with it. Try to get as smooth as you can. Normally my left side of my hair will usually always stick up, so I always have that problem issue with my hair. But just go ahead and secure your ponytail. So I did three wraps. And then I like to squeeze it. And I do have a bump. Let's see. So then what I'll do is I'll go in with some more cream, a little bit this time, and I'll further apply some, and then whatever little hairs I got, I like to pull them a little bit down. And normally I can just leave my hair like this in the back, but sometimes I have pieces that I absolutely just don't like. So what I'll do is I'll just curl my ponytail. And what I like to do is bend. What I like to do is just kind of curl up and just curl it back. That way it kind of frames. It's almost like framing your face, but just in a ponytail style. And I'll just curl the whole thing. Normally if my hair the way it looks now, I wouldn't curl it, but if you have extra time, then I would for sure do this. And this is what I did the other day, and I really liked how it came out. I'm not taking really big sections out. I'm just letting it fall. I'm gonna continue with grabbing a piece, but this time I'm gonna go the opposite direction on this side, going away from her face. On the last piece of hair, I curled it away from my face. So it looks like that. And then what I'm gonna do is pull it tight. So we got all these nice curls. I have a piece that's sticking up, so I can just go back in with my curl, with my wand, and kind of manipulate it. Okay, and then so what I've been doing, I kind of brush it on out. Okay, so that definitely looks super cute, I think. So to take it up a notch, you can see my actual ponytail right here. So what we're gonna do is just cover it up with a piece of hair. So what I like to do is take a little piece of hair from the back. And you've guys probably seen a whole bunch of other people do this as well. It's definitely a way to make your hair look more clean. And so I'm just gonna wrap it around. And then I have this piece right here. I'm just gonna leave it in the back. And I'm gonna grab my pinche, my bobby pin. And I'm gonna pin that piece down. I think it just looks very cute, very effortless, very put together. I think wrapping your hair around really makes it more clean and stuff. And I just really like this. especially when it's like supposed to be wash day for my hair. If it's like maybe too oily and stuff, I will either throw up in a ponytail or a bun and stuff. But I really like this. I think it's just really, really cute. You can apply more cream if you want to. I still have a few flyaways and stuff, but I think this is super cute. If you guys like this type of video, give it a like, comment down below. Do you already do this hairstyle? What hairstyles would you like to see from me? I really don't do much, but if you're interested in something for me to do a tutorial on, let a girl know, because I can always try it out. And if it's a fail, I'll let you guys know or show you that's a fail and we can learn from someone else and stuff. But yeah, I really like how it came out. I'll do like a 360. So I want to get started, I guess, with a little haul because my hair is already done and stuff. And okay, hopefully the lighting isn't so bad. I'm in my room. I decided to stay in my room. One, I want to show off my little vase in the back. How cute is this? Okay, but I feel like I'm so far away, so hopefully it's not too bad. So we ended up going to Nordstrom in Glendale, California, and they actually have Skims there. So I was super stoked. That's the whole reason why I wanted to go to Glendale, was to check out the Skims and stuff. There's definitely some pieces that I for sure want to go and buy. Either we'll go back or I'll just order online and stuff, because I was able to touch and just feel the material of Skims. And I've been wanting to compare, you know, Skims with the dupes and stuff that we see at the store. And I will say the cozy, I feel the cozy knitwear that she has on her line, people that made dupes are, the dupes are really good, like after comparing them and stuff. So if you guys don't want to break the bank or like spend a whole bunch of money on Skims, then just buy some from like Marshalls or whatever, because that's what I do. I bought a whole bunch from Marshalls for like 20 bucks or whatever. But anyways, I ended up buying this cute dress right here. Very, very cute. I got an extra extra small. It's super soft, and I will say this is a type of material that I feel like I haven't felt before. So I really, really like it. It's very stretchy, so it's really soft. It feels like butter. So I really like that. So I really like that. And then I also got a two-piece set, which is this button-up shirt blouse thing to sleep in, but it came with some pants, and so they look kind of whatever. I've been wearing them, so they're a little wrinkly. But it came with some pants and stuff, and it has a drawstring where you can make it obviously tighter at the waist and stuff. And it's the same material as the dress, so this, and it's super stretchy. I got a small in this one. Well, for one, they didn't have the other sizes, like an extra small or extra extra small in this color. By the way, this color is camel. I'm pretty sure it's camel. And if I can find it on the website, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing these items. But so this is a little oversized on me, but it's super comfy. Definitely it's worth the splurge and stuff. So especially just the material of this one, it's so comfy. And what I like is that she has the tones, the colors, so I can mix match. So if I'm cold downstairs in my living room or whatever, I can throw my blouse pajama like over top of this dress and still like match and just be comfy and stuff. So if you guys are wondering the retail for this, I will let you guys know. The long slip dress was 78 bucks. And then the sleepwear rib sleep set was 118. So it is very pricey, but I don't know. I think it was a good buy and stuff. I've always wanted to try her brand and everything, so I'm glad I got to. And I really like it. I've been sleeping pretty comfy for a few days now and stuff. So the next thing I want to get is some underwear from her, because I felt the underwear, the draws at Nordstrom, and I really like the way they feel. So anyways, I feel like this is gonna be long, but let me go ahead and cut this video for you guys, because I know I can ramble in my videos and stuff. But if you guys tried Skims, let a girl know. If you also like this hair tutorial, let me know. Have you tried it before? Is it something that you want to do? That if you're tired of the same old like hair down, curly or whatever, or straight, however you wear your hair, this is just something that is very sleek, and I think it just looks very sexy and just put together and stuff. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.